Impact is caring.
Impact means service.
Impact is change.
Impact is opportunity.
Over this past week, we've been engaged, inspired, challenged, and motivated to come together to help make the world a better place.
For the past 7 months, I've been planning this event. It was very exciting to see it come to fruition today.
This room looks incredible. This campus looks so alive.
A business school like Anderson has an interest in really seeding that social impact mindset. There's a momentum happening, and that's really exciting to be part of.
The first 2 keynotes were really spectacular and set the tone, and it really carried through all throughout the day.
I just got off a panel with some amazing rock star speakers. Patagonia, State Farm, I work with Unilever, and we're thinking about how our businesses can not only innovate for the future, but be activists for what we need.
Impact is inspiration.
Impact is results.
Impact is business.
Take some elements of a hackathon, some elements of a conference, some elements of a TED Talk, but focus on social impact.
I was really impressed today with Mika Hollander, founder of Sustain Naturals, and the way that they're able to have impact not only through their business model, but also through the conversations that they're trying to cultivate.
Businesses fail not because they don't work, but because the founder basically stops believing.
So I encourage everybody here to find their purpose and go do it.
I think it's really crucial that Anderson puts on something like Impact Week. Really gives the students here an alternative way of looking at what their career could be.
Impact is meaning.
Impact is truth.
Impact is everything.
Impact to me really is about improving the lives of all the constituents of our community.
You can do this everywhere. That is what is really, really important for everyone in this room to know. You guys are the future of pushing these industries.
There is no right way of doing corporate sustainability, but it is possible.
The fact that this conversation has developed into something worthy of a week-long conversation around investment, around operations, around how do we actually use business to make impact is quite something.